Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today I'm going to show you a really cool tool that I just picked up on Amazon. I thought it was kind of a gimmicky thing, but I actually end up using it a lot more this week than I thought I would. So I want to share it with you because I think it has value and some of you might find it interesting to use as well. What it is, it's a bit holder and I got it locked to my hip right now and it carries 6 different bits. I'm gonna unhook it. Okay, so it has a carabiner that screw locks in, so you can lock it in so it doesn't come off if you're, in the dirt or whatever, or up against something. But when you want to take it on or off your belt or a belt loop or any type of area, you just unscrew it and go like this. So what these are quick release, just like a chuck on an impact driver, and they usually come in all these different colors. So what I did is I ordered one of these for each guy in the team, and then I stole all the black and silver ones because those are my company colors. So I have all the black and silver, and they have all the other colors, which doesn't matter. Sometimes the color coded is cool, but all you gotta do is really look down. You have this on your hip, you look up, go, oh, I need a pre-drill bit. So you just push up on it like this and it pulls out. I wish I would have had this several years ago because I'm always fumbling for bits in my pockets, in my coat. Where did I put that one? I left it on the table. Oh, somebody grabbed it, somebody borrowed it. So this way I can keep the bits that I'm using on my person and then I can change them out. And then at the end of the day, I can either unload them all or just leave them loaded for the next day. So on this particular carabiner, I have a pre-drill bit, a tapered pre-drill bit, a number 10. I have a T20. I have a 5/16 inch nut driver that's tapered, that we do that on our own accord, because sometimes when you're running 5/16 fasteners into the outside of a board, you want to have a little bit more taper so that it will sink it better. I have a T25, I have a T40, and I have a T20 Cortex bit right here. Now your bit's gotta have that kind of a indentation on the back side of them. If they don't have that indentation, if they're not a quarter shank and don't have that indentation, they're probably not gonna fit onto this bit holder very well. So basically there's two little ball bearings on the inside of each one of these. And as you pull forward, the ball bearings release, and that's what allows you to drop the bit in here. And then when you shut it, the ball bearings, they land on the inside groove of the bit, like so. And that's what keeps it placed. I brought these to work and the guys immediately start using them, and I just kind of set mine to the side and wasn't thinking about it. And then the other day I stuck it on my hip and I used it all day and I had everything I needed all day long for the entire time I was working, and I was like, man, these things are pretty cool. Now, they're not of the highest German quality. These are probably from China, so I don't know how long to expect them to last. But if I get a couple months out of it, I'll be happy. I think they're $6 or $7 on Amazon. So if I had an opportunity to buy a much higher quality one, I probably will in the future. Like if Weira made one or something like that, I would be all over that. But for now, these work and everybody in the team has one. So now you're not asking or fumbling for bits. You just have them on your carabiner. You lock that onto your coat. Lock it onto well, I'm gonna put it right here, screw that on, there you go. But they can attach pretty much anywhere. And just a really handy little tool that I thought was kind of cool, that I thought maybe you guys might be interested in seeing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit that bell icon, and leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like our videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.